2024, I would like to do chicken farming, layers. So like keep chicken for egg production and also for sale. And I'm thinking of using this generator house that has, it's a generator house. It has our inverters and our solar. At the top, those are our solars that run the borehole. But I'm thinking of converting this into a chicken house. So like the chicks will be here from 1 day old to about 4 months old, and this will give me a good time for me to do a good structure which will have nice ventilation, and also will I like move them from here to the new chicken structure. So those are just my thoughts. Let me know if this can work. If you've done chicken farming before, let me know if this can work so that I don't make those mistakes. We also have materials that we've already started bringing. This will be used when we are doing our chicken farm, chicken housing. So we have the small stones, we have sand, and we have the big stones just over there. So um, it, the project will not spend a lot of my money because I already have this in place. But yes, I've not done this before, so we are going to grow together. I'm going to show you the how the layers will come up, and I'm excited. Yeah, I'm just excited about the project. Um, I expect to bring about 300 chicks as a start for a beginner, and yeah, so and the chickens will start laying after around 8 months. So it's quite a long project, and we will see the fruits on that after 8 months. So Mbuve Farm is quite vast. It's a huge area. Right now, because of the rains, the grass is so nice for the cattle. You can see the grass and the surrounding is so nice. So uh, the cattle right now have feeds. And yeah, on the comments, can you tell me what I'm missing for building? I know we need like the chicken mesh, the wire mesh. I mean, I'll need to buy iron sheets and all that. But this is just a first step on how the project will look like. And you can just tell me on the comment section else I need to bring in, and if you've done chicken farming before. So this is the structure that we use for putting hay. That is when we cut the grass for the animals, we keep it here or we store here for the dry seasons when we do not have enough grass to graze. So this is what I'm looking at, extending it to become a chicken house. So like just lift it uh, on at the top like that because of predators and all that, and also because we need the chicken poop to be to fall on the ground, so that it can be swept. So it's good that it be on a raised platform, and I'll try to extend it from this other end, or going downwards. Uh, and also because this is a higher ground, so I don't expect flooding when it comes to rains. But I'll also have to check the direction of the wind so that we don't put the wire mesh where there's wind, though we will have like sacks to close all the ventilation when that time comes. But yeah, so just thinking aloud, I think this will do. Let me know if I'm on the right track or not. But yeah, just an extension with good ventilation on raised grounds because of predators like snakes. Movie farm has snakes, of course, so I don't want the chicken to be eaten by snakes. And yeah, just let me know what you think about it. Thank you so much for joining Movie Farm. We will bring you our projects in 2024. And if you're new to the channel, please like, share, and also subscribe to us. We love new visitors. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much. We appreciate, and thank you for following our content. We are here because we want to share what we are doing and what currently is working for us, so that we can encourage you to start farming. So farming is just you start small and you start with what you have, just like this chicken house. I'm starting with what I have. Thank you so much.